When it comes to home improvement projects, few upgrades offer as much value and peace of mind as door replacement. In Eagle, where residents value both style and security, replacing old or inefficient doors can drastically enhance your home's safety while also boosting curb appeal and energy efficiency. Whether you're dealing with an outdated entry door or flimsy back door, modern replacements offer cutting-edge security features designed to protect what matters most. Why door security matters. Your doors serve as the first line of defense between your family and the outside world. Unfortunately, many homeowners in Eagle are still relying on doors that were installed decades ago, many of which lack modern reinforcements and safety measures. Old locks, hollow cores, warped frames, and weakened hinges can all create vulnerabilities that burglars can exploit in seconds. According to national crime data, doors are the most common point of entry in residential burglaries. This makes them an obvious target for anyone looking to improve home security. Replacing your door isn't just about aesthetics, it's a smart investment in your safety. Stronger materials, safer homes. Modern replacement doors come in a variety of high-strength materials, including steel doors. Known for their toughness and durability, steel entry doors are among the most secure options available. They resist forced entry, dents, and extreme weather. Fiberglass doors. These mimic the beauty of wood without the weaknesses. Fiberglass doors are resistant to warping, cracking, and rot, and often include secure, multi-layer core insulation. Solid wood doors. While heavier and more expensive, solid hardwood doors provide a natural level of resistance to intrusion and are ideal when combined with modern locking systems. Each of these materials far surpasses traditional hollow core or aging wood doors in terms of strength and security. Reinforced frames and locks. Replacing your door also means upgrading the surrounding components, such as the door frame, strike plate, and locking system. Many break-ins occur not through the door itself, but because the frame gives way under pressure. Today's replacement door systems include reinforced frames and hardware designed to absorb impact without cracking or splitting. Many modern door systems also support multi-point locking mechanisms, which secure the door at multiple locations, top, middle, and bottom. Smart locks, which allow for keyless entry and remote monitoring. Heavy-duty deadbolts, often made with hardened steel and anti-saw pins. These features work together to make forced entry significantly more difficult and deter would-be intruders. Added visibility and control. If your current doors lack visibility or are located in dark, unmonitored areas, a replacement can improve surveillance and control. Many new front doors come with integrated peepholes or video doorbell, impact-resistant glass inserts that allow light in while maintaining privacy, smart security integration for motion detection and remote access. You can now see who's at your door, even if you're not home, making your household more responsive and secure. Energy efficiency and insurance benefits. Aside from safety, newer doors also help regulate indoor temperatures, sealing out drafts and moisture. Many models are ENERGY STAR rated, which can lower your utility bills year-round in Eagle's varying climate. Additionally, a more secure home can lead to reduced premiums on your homeowner's insurance. Many insurers recognize that security upgrades like reinforced entry points and smart locks reduce the risk of break-ins and may offer discounts as a result. Final thoughts. Safety starts at the door. In Eagle, door replacement isn't just a cosmetic upgrade, it's a critical security improvement. By investing in modern materials, reinforced hardware, and smart locking systems, you create a strong deterrent to crime while enhancing the overall safety and comfort of your home. If your current door is showing signs of wear or lacks modern security features, now is the time to consider a replacement. It's a simple change that delivers lasting protection and peace of mind.